Press conference. This is the Kadoma Music Festival, and as you can see, there's a strong contingent of musicians behind me. Talk about Confused, talk about Chris Martin, talk about Busy Signal, Feli Nandi. The list is endless. Dr. Freeman is here. They shall talk themselves. I don't want to waste much of your time. With much respect, let me take this opportunity to introduce our first speaker. Allow me to hand over the microphone to Jamaican sensation, Chris Martin. Chris Martin is our first speaker. Yes, you're the first speaker to attend. We want to hear from you. Whatever you want to say, and the journalist will ask you questions thereafter.
Yes. Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. How is everybody doing? Everybody's good? Yeah, so first and foremost, I must tell everyone here that I'm very happy to be here in Zimbabwe once again. It's always a joy, it's always a pleasure. It's always big deal business when I'm here, and I feel the love, and the love is present in this room. So give thanks for each and every one of you that came out this afternoon. Looking forward to Kadoma 2025. It's gonna be a big deal, you understand? Enough respect.
Enough respect to you. Right, let's go to it. Any questions for Chris Martin? Any questions for Chris Martin before we cross over to the next artist?
That was good, thank you.
Yes, you are free.
What can we look forward to?
Look forward to good vibes, man. I love to call my kind of reggae, sugar reggae, you know, so I'm not projecting. Look forward Look forward to good vibes, man, good energy, you know. I love to call my kind of music sugar reggae, so that's what we'll be giving to the people on stage. And for those people who've seen me in action, who've seen me perform before here in Zimbabwe, they understand my kind of vibes. I leave nothing on stage. All the energy I bring it from Jamaica, I leave it on that stage, you understand? So it's gonna be no different for Kadoma, man. Yeah, man. Whole heap of energy, whole heap of vibes, and the microphone will be on. We'll be singing, you understand? Yeah, man. Enough respect.
Thank you so much. Any other question? Yes, my brother in the spectacles. Give him the microphone. It's still Chris Martin.
Thank you so much, Chris. We're so much happy and excited to have you back here in Zim. I know this is not the first time you're around here, and the last time you were here, we managed to witness some collabs that you've been doing with some local artists. Yeah, I'm just looking forward. Are you, at any chance, working with any of the local artists? Should we be expecting anything that you're doing with any local artists here in Zim?
Are you speaking specifically for the show, or you're speaking just overall?
No, overall.
Overall?
Yeah.
Well, expect the unexpected, you know? At the end of the day, still Zim is full of talented musicians, talented artists. So if the opportunity presents itself, then definitely, you understand? As long as we can make something memorable, can make good music, I'm all about that. You see me? But you don't know. Zimbabwean Queen, Dandy. Yeah, that's, you know the vibes. You see me? I say, so big up to my brother Freeman. That was such a very, very big song for me and him, and Zimbabwe loved it. So, you know, if we can create something special like that again, with another artist or with my brother again. Big vibes, you see me? So, yeah, man. Thank you for that question. Bless.
Yes. Sorry for that. That's Freeman and Chris Martin. A massive amalgamation. Zimbabwe versus Jamaica. Last question for Chris Martin before we cross over to the next artist. Last question for Chris Martin. He started coming here in 2016 with the Together is One concert, courtesy of Mama Red Rose. That's when he began to visit Zimbabwe. He's been here, this is the third or fourth time, I believe, he's in the country. And we love you, Chatenda. We love you like water. Any other question? Any other question? Okay. Chris, we salute you. Thank you so much, eh? Also coming from the wonderful land of Jamaica is a guy who is always busy. Very busy, very humble, very quiet. I call him, and we all call him Busy Signal. Busy Signal, It's all yours.
Yes. Blessing. I'm so happy to be here, so honored to be here again in Zimbabwe, with my lovely people here. Feel at home right here in Zim. Blessings.
Very short and precise. That's Busy Signal. Let's go to the questions now. Any questions for Busy Signal? Is ZBC?
Thank you so much, Busy. Farai Gwaza here from ZBC. You're right here. One of your most notable collaborations took place with PK, Show Me Love. Maybe you could also just highlight to us once again how that's extended also to the collaboration with Hkd, but more importantly, how working with Zimbabwean artists has worked towards extending collaborations between music and genres.
Yeah, it's always nice to collab with talented people across the world, and I'm open to doing collabs with anyone, once the level is right and melodies and harmonies collide, and with talents, it's always a green light for me, to work with different artists across the world, and even here in Zimbabwe, local talents here, local artists here, in different ways as well. Not just artists who will be singing, but you got art as people who, musicians that make beats and do productions as well. So it's always nice to just collab with people and share the talent across different parts of the world.
Thank you, Busy. Any other question from, yes? The cameraman. Let's hear it.
So, Mr. Busy, your visit comes at a time when there has been an outrage over drug and substance abuse in Zimbabwe. As an influential artist, especially to ghetto youths here in Zimbabwe, what advice can you give them towards that area of drug and substance abuse? Because I understand the music doesn't just, it also influences people to take good decisions. What advice can you give them?
Well, positive decisions and responsible decisions, we always promote those type of things towards the youths, and no matter which part we're going in the world, we always embrace positivity and embrace consciousness towards music, towards, you going out enjoying yourself, towards just people having a good time, no matter wherever you go. And that's the message across the world, straight positivity and love. Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. Any other question for Busy Signal? At the back there.
Thank you, Oscar. My name is Cindy Sotu. I'm with the Standard and Focus magazine. Busy, you've got a collaboration with Hkd. What aspects from Hkd, what message from Hkd that resonated with you for you to do the collaboration?
It was the melodies, the melodies and the message, it's a song called Problems Away. You know what I mean? You forget your problems and you just want to enjoy yourself and everything, and that's a good thing. You know what I mean? That's positivity. That's good thing. The melodies and the message throughout the lyrical content, and that was one of the things that caught me. You know what I mean? When my team sent me the song, I was listening to it on my phone. I was like, yeah. You know what I mean? Not in my head, like, this is nice, and not just the beat. The message is always one of the things that I pay most attention to. The message and the melodies throughout the songs that we do across the world, whether it be collabs or songs by myself. I'm always keen on the message and the melodies. Yeah.
Thank you, Oscar.
You want to come again?
Yeah, I want
okay.
to come back.
You can platform?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead of you, Oscar.
Okay.
My next question is, the song comes just in time for Kadama Music Festival, and the coincidence is just too much. Who initiated, who facilitated the song, and does Odyssey Entertainment have any hand in that?
I think the promoters the promoters, you know what I mean, they link the team and everything. And I mean, Hkd been an artist of Zimbabwe for so long, been here representing throughout music and everything, along with other artists as well. And I was just so happy to hear the song and the melodies and what the song is saying. You know what I mean? So my team brought it to me, and I was just checking it out on my phone and everything. So from my team, I guess the promoters and everything that surrounds it, I guess whoever was involved in initiating the process, I wasn't in the initiating part of it, but I was in the recipient part of it, where we present a song called Problems Away. Yeah, man.
And definitely problems are going away.
Problems are going away.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it? Yeah. Right. Hey, my gentleman in the spectacles again. We give you an opportunity. Yes. You, my brother, here. Yes, come through.
Greetings, BZ, and Chris. Welcome back to Zimbabwe. And I hope you guys, we have a fantastic time, like we had last time when you guys came to perform. BZ and Chris, this I'll directly, direct to you. My name is Rusty K, for the record. There's been a raging debate, especially in this country, which I've always been involved in, trying to defend, trying to put this and that together to make people understand, some of the things that come through. BZ, you have done a lot of cover songs, and my standout song from you is The Gambler, which I think, you did big justice to it.
TK,
but then, sorry? All right. The question, basically, is I was talking about the debate that has been raging over here, over the question of covers. I don't have a problem with it, If you like a song and you do it your own way, your own creative way, is there anything wrong, really? Because some people have been saying, if you do a cover song, does that make you a lesser person from a creative perspective?
Well, there's nothing wrong with a person doing their own rendition of a song. You know what I mean? I am talented enough to do those things. You know what I mean? I'm blessed with the talent and the creativity and the lyrical dexterity to do those type of things. You know what I mean? One of Whitney Houston's biggest song is a cover song. You know what I mean? I Will Always Love You, originally by Dolly Parton. You know what I mean? And it's like, I could name a whole bunch more. You know what I mean? A whole bunch of other artists that do renditions of songs, and it's a great thing. It's just that, are you talented enough to do it? And are you talented enough to execute it and do it well? So I'm so happy that I get the chance and get paid to do these things. You know what I mean? It's a business venture and it's music, and we all do this music. Well, most of us who do these things, that we could do it, and I'm so happy that I'm chosen and appointed to do stuff like these. So happy.
Thank you, TK. Last question for Busy Signal. Then we cross over to Queen Feli Nandi.
Thank you very much, everyone who's here. Thank you, the artists. Thank you, the international acts who are here. I would like to throw this question to Busy Signal, Chris Martin, and Julian King. Are there any investment projects that you are doing or that you intend to do for local talent besides the collaborations? Investments in music that will leave a legacy and sustain a talent going forward? Thank you.
Well, for me, I am looking into different things, signing artists and musicians, players of instrument, band members, different type of things. We're looking into different things in the background. So we can't say we have reached to that peak of the decision as yet, but we are looking into things because it's always great to collab and to have different people from different parts of the world to give the stuff a different flavor and a different blend. So I'm always looking into working with other artists closely than just doing a one-off. We're always looking forward to working with artists, working with musicians, working with you know what I mean, wherever the opportunity is, wherever the opportunity lies, once it's great for us and the decisions that we make with the team, it's always good from this angle.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You want to add something? Just add something, then we cross over to the next artist. Thank you.
Just on that one, to answer your question, I think the time has come now to have a Jamaica-Zimbabwe Music Alliance, where we can get some cultural exchanges involved, get some of our younger artists going over to Jamaica, get some Jamaican artists coming over here. Let's have think tanks, let's have hubs, let's collaborate beyond music, a cultural exchange, because our tie is now in music with the genres that we've got here with Zim dancehall and dancehall and reggae in Jamaica. I think it's now time to have an organized, alliance there, and I think I'll hand it back over to our international superstars here from Jamaica and what they think and what they can facilitate in leading that. I think that would be a great legacy item that we can have, and even some of our senior artists here in Zimbabwe get involved in that, and we have an organized alliance together. And let's see how we can grow music in Jamaica, music in Zimbabwe, and build a lasting connection there.
Already, the relationship is symbiotic, and we salute that. Thank you so much, for clarifying that. Now, we've got a queen who is gifted vocally. Whenever she sits on stage, the stage goes on fire. Feli Nandi, I cross over to you. Give us your words.
Thank you, Oscar. We are looking forward to Kadoma 2025, and I am so honored to be sharing the stage with amazing artists. Yeah.
Short and precise. Yes, DJ in green, representing Power FM.
All right, my name is Popsy, and I'm so happy that we've got a female representative, right, at the Kadoma Music Festival. That's you, Feli Nandi. You have traveled far and wide representing Zimbabwe. What can you say to fellow female artists out there? Because we can see with the ratio that there's not much, equal representative in terms of gender. What can you say to fellow female artists to encourage them so that they can also meet the pedestals and be on the same platforms that you are?
They're doing enough already. I really wish I could just be called an artist and not female artist. I think would really appreciate it if you don't categorize us.
Okay, Ufeli, why do you say that?
I think we, as artists, female artists, like you want to put it as, we have earned the right to be called artists. And whenever you call us female artists, it's like we're favored being no, we deserve this, we've worked hard, and
Are you not female? Maybe you do not recognize yourself as female.
I am female, but I mean, when it comes to, when you're talking about, I think people really like to male dominate this industry so much, but I believe female artists in Zimbabwe they do deserve the same recognition as male artists.
Thank you. It's an exchange of ideas. It's never a fight. Right, who is next to ask Feli a question? Any question for Feli? Any question for Feli? Yes, sir.
Sorry, mine will not be going specifically to Feli, but I've noticed since there was on the other hand, just want to shoot one more last to our international visitors, these artists, Chris Martin and Busy Signal, to be more specific. Just out of interest to you.
You know what? It's like we're going backwards.
No, not exactly.
Okay,
we're going forward, trust me.
All right.
I have no reverse skill.
Okay.
I just want to understand, do you guys have anything else lined up within your calendar? I know there's the big Kadoma Music Festival. Are you going to be looking forward to visiting any other places in Zim, maybe in terms of tourism, and more importantly, after the show, is there any after party for you guys? What's it going to be?
Well, I want to see Victoria Falls, yeah?
Nice.
Yeah, so if you're talking about like excursions...
Are you going there, or you want to stay?
Well, the aim is to go there. So all things being equal and I get the opportunity to go, I will definitely go. You understand? Yeah, but, but the onus and the the reason for this is Kadoma Music Festival, yeah? Definitely. But we will, definitely, because it's nice. And Zimbabwe is lovely and it's beautiful. So any opportunity I get, every chance I get to come here, I try to see different places. And I haven't seen Victoria Falls as yet, so I would love to see them.
Trust me, you'll enjoy it.
Bless up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Easy.
Are you happy?
Business and responded.
I think Chris did it on his behalf. He said, I'm not taking anything from you. Are you happy? Offer no more.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. Right. Any question for Feli? Feli, you're still there? And this is a question coming to you.
Thank you, Mr. Oscar. Thank you, Mr. B. Signal, Mr. Chris Martin, thank you. Mine is not a question, but it's a reference from what Feli was saying. The question is for Feli Nandi, but we are asking Mr. Busy and Mr. Chris Martin for Feli Nandi's questions. That's why she was saying, don't call me a female artist, call me an artist, not a female artist. Thank you. Then I'll be honored if you do us a favor to write a song featuring Mr. Busy. Smart, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, wonderful contribution. Any other question? Feli, you want to add anything?
I'm just really honored to be here among legends. I've met Mr. Martin. I dressed him before when he came.
Okay. Where did you dress him?
in my boutique.
Yeah.
And I would love to invite them so that we can cook them proper Zimbabwean food at our restaurant. So I'm really honored. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any other question for Feli? Before we go to the doctor, Dr. Freeman, you are next. Any other question for Feli before we cross over to Freeman? We are special. That's what we introduce. Freeman, it's all yours.
Can I use the mic?
Oh, that's stories. Stories.
Alright, hi everybody. It's a pleasure to be here, right? It's more like a dream come true. Me sitting next to big guns. Actually, it's an achievement. Anyway, I grew up listening to them. When I was still at school and I'm here on the same poster with them. Just imagine. What an achievement from a small boy from Bindura. Anyway, I just have to say welcome, Tefi President. You call him this signal, right? I call him Tefi President. Welcome, Tefi President, to the motherland. And of course, to my brother, Chris Tatenda. Me and my team, we are doing the logistics for him to get the ID at Makombe. Now he's Zimbabwe. I know everybody has been longing for this Kadoma Festival, and I'm so happy to be part of the lineup. The promoter could have left me and I could have done nothing, but he just involved me. I really appreciate Mr. Promoter. And thanks to every media company, every journalist, for coming through for this conference. I hope we're going to have a good time on Saturday. History to be made.
Definitely, history to be made. And guess what? Gratitude is godly. You'll be blessed. You are a star, Freeman.
Thanks,
Any questions for Freeman? Any questions for Dr. Freeman? Any questions for Dr. Freeman? As I'm looking for Freeman. Any questions? Merciless. Yes, give Merciless the microphone. He's a gifted DJ in Zimbabwe, MC. DC and Chris. He works for the local station there. This is Merciless. Oh, you know me.
All right, Freeman, I just want to ask, you've done a collaboration with Chris Martin. It's now almost 3 years running, and it's still a big song right now in Zimbabwe. Can you expect anything also, you with Hkd, with the President, also with Chris Martin?
When we did that song, you were never expecting it, right? And so expect the unexpected.
Yeah, we should expect the unexpected. All right. All right. Concerning Kadoma Festival, how far are you prepared, and are you preparing differently for Kadoma Festival than you prepared before? Because this one is a big event, like you're saying, you're now sharing shoulders with your big artists, some of your inspiration also.
I think our preparations are now on another level. We have been doing preps from when the poster came out. I just hope that things will go the way we wanted to go. Because as an artist, sometimes you get nervous on such big shows like this. I don't know Chikisa, but I say still, I will just make sure that I pray before I go to stage so that I can calm and collected.
Thank God, it's a prayer, Baby. Restoration. Thank you.
Restoration. Love you, listeners. Any other question for Freeman? Doctor, we salute you. Thank you so much.
Blessings.
Now, the next guy, the mom was saying he started singing at a very tender age. He's very humble. I love my son very, very much. The next artist has been out of Zimbabwe for almost 6 years. Julian King, we want to hear from you. Yes, let me give you the microphone to Julian King, how he plans to massacre Kadoma Music Festival.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you to the promoters, the organizers of this event. We have met before, before today, and it's always an honor and a privilege to speak to everyone. And I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Like Oscar said, this is the first time in 6 years that I'm back in Zimbabwe, and every song, every success that we've had is because you guys have been in support. The media people have been doing the media work, the fans have been playing the music, the radio people have been doing the radio stuff, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much.
Wonderful indeed. Let's go to the questions for my king. Yes, my sister, DJ.
I don't really have a question for you. I just want to say thank you so much. You're one of the diaspora Zimbabwe-based artists, and it's like you never left. You're still dropping hits and you're collaborating with your little sisters, little brothers back at home. We applaud you for that.
Thank
Wonderful.
you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Julian King. Any question for Julian King? ZBC, nothing? Okay. Right. Thank you so much, King. Have a nice time on Saturday. Just take a tiripo. This guy is very blessed as well. The next artist is very young, dynamic, and very intellectual when it comes to his lyrics. Let's cross over to this guy. Yes, Confused. Confused is part of the Kadoma Music Festival. And let's hear from him. Confused, what are your words to the people?
Thank you, Oscar. I just want to say thank you to everyone that came, the media team, the promoters, for putting me on this big event, the Kadoma 2025. It's an honor to be rubbing shoulders with international acts, the likes of Chris Martin, Busy Signal, even our own local artists, Freeman, Hkd, Macheso. I'm promising fireworks, and it's really an honor to be part of this event.
Confused to Wapenga. I salute you, is here. Any question for Confused? Any question for Confused? Another question? Okay. Let's take, there's a question there. If you're just joining us, this is the Kadoma Music Festival press conference. And let's hear the question.
You've been away for a long time, and you've been dropping music like you've never left. How have you managed to do that, to connect with the Zimbabwean community, also in the UK?
Okay, thank you for that question. Well, I've just tried to stay true to myself, true to my fans, my loyal fans, and give them what they deserve, and which is music. Try to connect with everyone through the internet. The internet has actually played a big role in my music, because that's how I've managed to maintain the connection with everyone back home. And it's been a lovely journey. Thank you for that.
Answered. Nice one. Any other question? Confused before he goes. Confused. Thank you so much, isn't it?
Thank you, Oscar.
The next artist is different from these guys because his music is a different type of genre. You are part of the delegation. And your genre is very nice. Chipotore Nidari. What am I saying Saturday? Babish stories. Freeman, Babish stories. Thank you.
Greetings to you, family. Actually, I want to thank the promoters who actually organized this Kaduma Music Fest 2025. It's actually my fourth time going to Kaduma Music Festival. So I hope to see you all there, and I hope to improve from where I left last year when I performed at Kaduma Music Fest. Thank you.
Thank you. And any questions for Mama Kore? For Mama Kore? Yes, at the back there.
Okay, my name is Direction Katz. I'm from Lisbon, Victoria. Correct. Last year, when you performed at the Kaduma Music Festival, it was the first time, and many people didn't know Freeman Hkd, but you've grown since then. What can people expect from you, and what is it that you learned in last edition that you are going to improve this year?
Actually, it's not the first time.
Well, I think last year.
I've played Kaduma Music Fest for 3 times. This is the 4th time. So you have to expect more from what I did last year.
Baba, mvuzenyongo kamera say kuti woma pindro atatenda wale. Ayo atatenda. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? So these were the artists. So let's hear from the promoter now. It's very important to give the promoter an opportunity to give us a few words. The whole essence behind Kaduma Music Festival. With all due respect, no good or no Kana.
Thank you. Let me thank everyone who is here and those who are watching. I take this opportunity to officially hand over the Kaduma Music Festival to my kids. So those who are looking forward to interviewing me, here is the team, Karen and Prince. They're the ones who are now owning the Kaduma Music Festival. I've never spoken to Biz before this today. Prince and Karen are making this, including Chris Martin. So I can hand over everything to my kids.
Prince and Karen, please stand up. We need to see you. Oh. So it's official. These are now the owners of the Kaduma Music Festival. Papiwa na Baba. Baba, we love you so much. You have demonstrated an angelic power. We salute you. Right, any words from you? Yes, you. I want you.
I'll say he hasn't quite handed over. You can hear his voice is a bit strained. So apologies on his behalf for that. He's been working out all week. Almost the last 3 months. It's a long process to organize this event, and I think it's beyond a handover. He's roped us in and involved us from an early age, and you kind of do what it is where you are. So looking at, back in the day, we used to stamp tickets, counting tickets, the little tasks that go into building a festival, an event. There's a lot of people who aren't even here today who played a massive role, and there's a lot of people here who also played a massive role in this event. We don't look at this event as our own. We don't even look at this industry as our own. This industry is a shared enterprise. All of us here are stakeholders, sponsors, the media, fans, journalists, radio, the artists. All of you guys are stakeholders, and what happens in this industry is because of the work that you guys put in. A lot of people were at the airport when we had Julian King arrive, Chris Martin arrive, Busy Signal arrive. That tells the story. We can't do this event without that. Even right now, there's lots of people banging away, working very hard in Kaduma, setting up the stage. There's lots of people behind the scenes. There's people who are stakeholders beyond your imagination. There's a tailor there, someone I'm not aware of sure. There's a barber there getting his stuff ready, a hairdresser. Lots of people play a part in this event, and it's not going to go anywhere without you guys, without them who are not here. You guys play a massive role. So it's not ours. The Kaduma Music Festival belongs to you guys, and the success of it will be determined by what we do together. there's been a lot of talk about collaborations and working together. That's the essence of our industry. That's all that it is. It's symbiotic. We aren't anything without each other. So I thank you for your contributions here today. I thank you for your contributions in the past. I thank you for your contributions in the future. That future and this festival belong to you guys.
Okay, we need to balance it. Let me give my sister. Sister, say something.
All right, thank you all for being here today, media, artists, and everybody who's done work behind the scenes, setting up everything, backdrop, chairs, all of that. To follow on, I think a lot of questions we get about this festival, the biggest one is, why Kadoma? You know, such a small town. Well, being from Kadoma, we are very proud to have this festival in Kadoma, but from a business point of view, Kadoma is central, and it makes it easier for us to access the nationwide market with the location, 2 hours to Harare, 2 hours to Beru, and all the smaller towns surrounding Kadoma. And we love what this festival does for Kadoma as a city, not just our business, but everyone, hairdressers, vendors that sell clothes, service providers, and bringing a lot of business to Kadoma is a big part of this festival, and we love the collaboration.
Thank you so much. And my sister from Swan, you want to say something? I'm moving on to the sponsors now. Here, come through. You have to say something. Swan, if you are here, you're here. CBZ, it's not Bumpekana. We salute you. So, say something, Swan.
Okay, so I was going to ask Karen, what influenced your artist selection?
I think wanting to give you guys the best is what always will influence artist selection, and people always feel like the sign-up is so big, and it's like, because we value everybody here, we've catered to every genre, and we've catered to giving you a good time. So always the audience first influences artist selection.
This is one. They're coming through.
Okay, no, thank you very much for that response. And am I supposed to?
No, say whatever you want. It's one of the
okay.
sponsors, yeah.
No, obviously we are very proud to be part of Kadoma Festival. It shows our support for the arts and entertainment industry. And obviously it's a great opportunity to meet our target market and get engaged with them and get excited. Happy to have international artists, Chris and Lizzie with us this year. Looking forward to Saturday.
Wonderful indeed. And we support you. Wesley Park is also here. Wesley Park, representing the construction sector there. You've got very wonderful packages. Okay, who is here? Oh, Impala. Impala, are you here? Topenkana. Sorry for that. I'm Iswe. You're wonderful indeed, yes.
Thank you very much to Mr. Maris and the family and the Kadoma music team. We are honored once again to be part of this show. It grows year by year. We are exploding, we are excited, we don't know what to do, and we just want to wish you all the best. And one thing I can tell you, our rides are definitely behind you.
Hey. Okay, Dinosh, vote of thanks, so that we officially close. Vote of thanks is coming from Dinosh. Once Dinosh is done, okay, yes, yeah, it's a platform, I love it.
Oh, CBZ, yes.
Thank you for this opportunity. As CBZ, we are super excited to be part of Kadoma Music Festival. We believe it's the best showcase in town, and we believe it's something that can be done internationally and regionally. So at CBZ, we are also using the opportunity to unveil our payment platform for all the show organizers, show goers. Right now, if you go on our platform, zikimall.com, you are able to purchase your tickets in the comfort of your own space. If there's anyone in the diaspora right now watching, you can actually bless someone directly by purchasing the ticket, and it goes to the beneficiary. Thank you so much, Kadoma Music Festival. We wish Thank you.
Before you go,
we are told. That's what we do.
Or I'm say for the musicians.
How about you promote our musicians? I think we collaborate. That relationship, that partnership, I think is something that we can do.
We love you, see this set.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Ma'am, you can come through. She's representing Wesley Park. These are some of the sponsors, BC and Chris.
Good afternoon, our esteemed artists. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to be able to witness your talent. Thank you very much, Prince and your team. It's a privilege to be here. I'm Julian King, representing Wesley Park, AJ Shop Fitters in Kadoma. We've got stands in Kadoma. Fully serviced stands with roads, water, sewer. If you pay today, tomorrow you're building, tomorrow you're processing your title deed. So we've got very flexible payment terms, 30% deposit, and then your balance over 14 months. But we've realized that a lot of our clients in JJ, Harare, they've been driving all the way from Gweru, anywhere along the way into our Masasa office. They want a kitchen. So they come in with a carpenter. A carpenter then gives us a cutting list, 3,800, but Mrs. Maradzi pays 7,000. And he comes back and says, please can I have my change? So we then realized that, our after-sales service is protect our clients. So we are there in Kadoma. Whether it's your kitchen, your bathrooms, your workshops, your offices, you name it, aluminium, but you know what? These days, they've got title. You know what it means. You know what is happening in Zimbabwe at the moment. So get in touch with us. We are happy to associate ourselves with the Kadoma Festival. It's our first time, but believe me, we will be there until time memorial. We are here to support Kadoma Festival. Thank you very much. I hope to see all of you from starting tomorrow. I am at all the selling the stands and selling all the products that we have. There's so much that we're offering in terms of aftercare, after sales service, where we advise you on how to invest. So it's not just about selling, it's also about looking up